What's going on, Mother Truckers? So anyone that's in the Utah area on the I-15, right there where that Flying J is, just be careful, Mother Truckers. There's someone in the mountains randomly blasting at people. They already hit a four-wheeler and they hit a semi-truck driver.
Met vehicles as they drove northbound on I-15 from Scipio to Neffy this morning.
Still got a lot of investigation to go. You know, potentially that someone was throwing debris at them.
Something hit her side, and also
several miles south at the Millard County line, a semi-truck was also hit by bullets.
So luckily, nothing that was fatal, but we're just letting you know that this is going on and they haven't found the suspect. So Mother Truckers, especially if you're on that I-15 area, be careful, because I want you guys to get home to your family. You know, the people said in the interview that they thought someone was throwing rocks at their vehicle. It is not rocks. All right, Mother Truckers, be careful out there. I love you guys so much. You know, have you ever experienced something like this? Have you ever had someone target you in this way? You know, I've had some kids throw rocks from a bridge at my truck, but never this. You know, this type of stuff is insane. But be safe out there. You know, they haven't caught the guy or girl yet, but that's what's happening right now.